It's Bonnie. Happy Thursday! I am back! Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm going to do a combo video here. I got a lot to talk about because I just got the email for the soap sale tomorrow. And we got to talk about the Wallflower sale today. And then check it out. I got to light up the Halloween bat. I am loving the bat. So we're going to do, let's talk about the soap sale tomorrow. So I got the email for tomorrow, $2.95 on the soap. That's a really good deal. I think it's actually going to go through a couple of days. I just got it's a big deal, soap sale. Let me go to the bottom of the email. It's going to go on through August 21st, which is Monday. So soap sale all weekend. We're going to talk about soap tomorrow because, yeah, that's kind of exciting. I need some soap. You know, I always need soap. So keep that in mind. Tonight we have the Wallflower fragrance refills. Are $3.50. So I actually pulled one of my favorite, pumpkin apple. Is this a good deal? Yeah, it's a good deal. Anytime you can get the Wallflowers for like under, $4. They have a lot of the new ones. They have midnight cocktails, cozy cashmere, prickly pear sangria, which is a candle back here, sweet whiskey, cinnamon stick, into the night, autumn woods, cranberry woods, all of the fall ones, including chasing fireflies, autumn, lots of good ones. They also have this new hourglass topper one, so it looks like an hourglass. Sweet cinnamon pumpkin. Any of the fall ones are really good. Like I said, pumpkin apple is like one of my all-time favorites. I like the old labels though. The old label is kind of cool. So I'm going to light up the bat. A lot of people have been wondering about this one. I think it's sold out online actually, but this is what it looks like. And I'm going to go through this again, you guys. I always do this when I do my Wallflower thing. Throw out righty-tighty, loosey-lefty, because it's the opposite of what you think it's going to be. You're going to unscrew this, and then you have the wick, and then this is actually perfect with the bat. I love the color. There's a hole right here, and then you're going to screw this in here, and oh, look how pretty that looks. This would look good with purple, too. Now, you're going to take this little plastic thing off, and remember, this turns. I always say this because if you have like this GFIs in the bathroom and the kitchen, you don't want to put the unit sideways. You just want to turn your plug. So now we're ready to go. Oh my gosh, you guys. This thing is so pretty and sparkly even without being lit up. I don't know why. I'm loving the bat this year. So are you ready? We're going to do the big bat reveal. I'm going to light it up. Here we go. Oh my gosh, that wasn't as spectacular as I thought. Let me turn my lights off so you can see it a little bit better. There we go. Look at that. So kind of the body lights up. The wings don't light up, but the body lights up a little bit. Let me turn my lights back on so that you can see me. There you go. But yeah, it's pretty. It's kind of neat. I like the jewel tone effect. I don't know. There's something classy about the bat. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to get the scent of the pumpkin apple. Again, this is what it looks like unplugged. I think it's actually really pretty unplugged. Oftentimes I do like the Halloween ones. I'm actually going to plug in, do I have the Skull King? Yeah, I have the Skull King right here. I'm just going to plug this one in really quick too, because I know a lot of people were wanting to see what this one looked like lit up. Let me get the paper. Oh, there we go. I had to get the plastic off. Okay, we're going to light this one up too. We're doing them both. Oh my gosh, you guys. I didn't light this one up the other day. You ready? You ready? Oh my gosh. Okay, that actually lights up a lot. Let me turn my lights off again so you can see. Wow. This one is kind of interesting because it kind of takes away from the clear black and it really just kind of, I don't know if I love this one as much as I like the bat, honestly. It's okay, but I kind of like this one without being plugged in better. What do you guys think? And then I like the bat. The bat's beautiful, not plugged in, and I kind of like the bat plugged in. You get that little gel tone. Well, isn't that interesting? Oh my gosh, I'm actually glad I plugged in the Skull King. That was kind of interesting. So let me know your favorite wallflower for fall. And soap, tomorrow. I will see you guys later. Bye bye.